Formula on the screen. A equals P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now, what is this formula all about? This formula tells us about the amount after N years when the interest is compounded annually. Okay? A here is the amount, P here is the principal, R here is the interest per annum, and N here is the number of years. So in short, this is the formula to find the compound interest. And let me prove it to you. Now we can prove this formula using the concept of simple interest. For this, first of all, let me draw a table. Now do you see these three columns? This column is for the principal, this column is for interest, and this column is for the amount. And what is amount? Nothing but principal plus interest. Okay? Now look at the three rows. This row is for the first year, this row is for the second year, and this row is for the third year. Let me also assume the principal for the first year to be P. So I write P here. Now what would be the interest for the first year? What is the formula? I equals P into R by 100. So I write P into R by 100 here. Now what would be the amount for the first year? It would be principal plus interest. So P plus PR by 100, I take P out and I get P into 1 plus R by 100. So this tells me about the principal, the interest, and the amount for the first year. Now let's move to the second year. Look at this. Yes, the amount at the end of the first year. This now becomes the principal for the second year. Now what about the interest? I calculate my interest on this principal. So my interest is P into 1 plus R by 100, that was the principal, into R by 100. Lastly, what would be the amount for the second year? For this, I have to add this principal and this interest. So I do that. I now take P into 1 plus R by 100 common. So what I'm left with is this. And now I combine these two terms. So my amount becomes P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. So do you see any pattern that is forming? Yes. The exponent of 1 plus R by 100 in amount, that keeps on increasing. Similarly for the third year, the amount at the end of the second year would become the new principal. Try and find the interest, add the principal and the interest to find the amount for the third year. You will see that the amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 whole cube. Okay? So we can also